All right, time now for next weather. Did you feel it? Did you see it? I know I had a few raindrops on my windshield coming into work today, but not a lot.
Not a lot, and that's really the case. Just a few here, a few there, with one exception,
Where?
Orange County.
Okay.
Yep.
The OC.
The OC. You got a quarter of an inch for some, which is significant.
Yeah.
But then those raindrops really only amounted to about 1/10 of an inch less, 1/100th of an inch for most of us. And we're even looking at sunshine. I mean, really ominous conditions right now, where we saw a pink sunrise this morning. We even saw rainbows, and now we're getting sort of this pink sunset tonight. A little bit of a red sky. Red sky at night, sailor's delight, right? Red sky in the morning, sailor's warning. So we saw that red sky in the morning, and then we saw that rain. Now red sky at night, and things are going to start to get a little more delightful, if you will. Still delightful today for the most part, and I do want to get a look at the rest of your forecast, and you will notice that we are continuing to see rain potentially over the next few hours this evening through Orange County and the IE. That's where most of it has hit us. Most of that moisture is remaining to the south over Baja, but some of it streaming to us here in Southern California, and we're seeing it really all over, but very sporadic in nature, if you will. So I do want to get a look at the rest of your forecast, and as I do, you will notice that we're continuing to see a little bit of rain currently on radar, and I will show you the rest of radar right here. Yes, a little bit of yellow, so we did see some heavier downpours at times. Some of that heaviest rain has now moved into parts of the IE. Rancho Cucamonga has been getting some steady showers along the 15 there as well, and still looking at another swath of moisture coming into San Clemente, Laguna Niguel, and that will continue to travel over the next few hours before we start to see drier conditions. Tomorrow, still a slight chance of a shower, but overall we're dry by the weekend with maybe some drizzle produced from the fog. We could see some radiation fog on Saturday morning left over from that moisture and a little more warmth heading our way. So that's something to look out for. Otherwise, we are expecting temperatures to return to the 70s by next week. A look at your hour-by-hour forecast right here. You will see over the next few hours we're continuing to see maybe a few more showers. Then tomorrow mostly dry, but remember possibly a little bit of drizzle scooching in Saturday first thing in the morning. And other than that, dry through Saturday, Sunday, and through early next week. Let's take a look at your rainfall futurecast, and you'll see we've gotten up to 1/4 of an inch of rain. And again, much more rain coming through the light green areas there through Orange County into the IE. Everybody else about 1/10 of an inch or less. So really not a big rainmaker this time. 40s, 50s, and by tomorrow, 60s. It's cool, it's mild, and staying that way through the weekend, but by next week, a different story. You'll see 70s Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and 70s will be here for the basin in Orange County, for the valleys as well, and finally checking in with the IE, you'll see more 70s in the forecast. In fact, the mountains getting a little warmer by next week, along with the deserts and the beaches. You'll see the deserts in the 60s, the mountains in the 40s and the 50s, and the beaches in the 60s, turning to 70 degrees by next week at the coast. Pretty unbelievable. A little more on this rain and what to expect over the next few hours, and of course watching that gorgeous sunset. But right now, I'll send it back to you, Ruta Bay and Juan.
Evelyn, thank you.